Hello Saints, this video will go over how to create a new meeting with the numbers recording system. This function is only available if you have a district or a locality serving one's account. It would not be available for the basic serving one account. Okay, so just go into your account, log in, and you see something like this, and you can click on the new meeting right here, and you need to type in the name of the meeting. Okay, so I want to create a meeting for HK East children. Okay, now where does this meeting belong to? It belongs to the District of Island East. Okay, it is a small group meeting, and it's a children's meeting. Okay, now how often does it meet? Maybe just once a month. So by selecting the option here, either once a month, bi-weekly, or weekly, this is when the system will give a reminder to the serving one for them to take attendance. Okay. So if it's once a month, then it'll only give a reminder once a month. If it's weekly, then it'll give a reminder weekly to take attendance. Okay, and then it's English, created on June 12th. Great. And here is the serving one that you will select to take attendance for this meeting. Right here already you have a list. You can select the person or the persons. Okay, or if you cannot find them here, you can just type in the name. Okay, and then create. Great. Okay, so now you'll be able to go to the serving areas, the meetings under this sidebar here, and select the one that we just created. So under meetings, you see a list of all the meetings in your district, and then the one that you just created, HK East Children. Okay, it's right here. Great. So met number of times, 0, because we just created the meeting. And this is also where you can edit the information or look at the information, and it'll come with a bar chart as well. So if you want to edit the meeting, okay, HK East Children, just click on the orange button. Okay, you can add other serving ones. You can change the times that it meets, the language, the district, and all that, and then update. Or you can just delete the meeting. Okay, and that's pretty much how you create a new meeting or delete a meeting with the numbers recording system. If there are any questions, you can contact the district. You can contact your system admin. Okay.